I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire.
So when I stepped away for just a second, my son knocked over my bin of water all over the floor and rug. I quickly just dried it up with some bath towels, and since we had our back door open, the rug dried by that afternoon.
You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light in darkness. You can lean on me. I'm strong enough to carry us both out of this mess. You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light in darkness. You can lean on me. I'm strong enough to carry us both out of this mess. You can lean on me if the fire goes.
I went through and wiped the little stainless pieces in our backsplash as well, because these tend to get really dirty, especially around our stove area.
You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light in darkness.
I quickly wiped down all of our cabinets. The top ones usually don't get too bad, but our lower ones do, and it definitely shows since they're white. So I like to take the time to do this real quick every so often so they don't get too bad.
Getting hyped up for the weekend. Getting hyped up for the weekend. Lights down, waited so long. Getting hyped up for the weekend. Getting hyped up for the weekend. You can lean on me if the fire goes. There will be some light in darkness. You can lean
thought I'd keep this clip in here just showing you how tricky it can be to film these kinds of videos with my kids running around. Luckily, I caught my camera just in time. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Please give this video a like if you found some motivation to tackle your own messes at home. And also don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already so you never miss out on a new video from me. Thanks again for watching and have a blessed day.